In this video, you'll learn how to create approval policies in ReARM Pro.
Please note, the changes shown in this video can only be made by users with administrative permissions.
In your ReARM Pro instance, click the Settings icon in the main menu to open the Organization Settings view.
Navigate to the Approval Policies tab in the tab bar.
Click the plus circle icon next to the Approval Roles header to add approval roles.
In this example, we'll add two roles, Development and QA.
The role ID is the internal identifier ReARM uses to reference the role, for example, in automation with continuous integration systems.
The role display name is the name visible in the ReARM UI.
Once you've added the roles, proceed to add approval entries using the plus circle icon next to the Approval Entries header.
For each entry, select the roles required to approve it, and enter the approval name. In this example, we'll require a single approval role for the entry, but you can require more if needed.
In our example, we're adding two approval entries, Development Complete and Tests Passed.
With the approval entries in place, we can now create an approval policy. An approval policy is a collection of approval entries.
Click the plus circle icon next to the Approval Policies header.
Select the approval entries you want to include in the policy, and enter the desired policy name.
Your approval policy is now created.
We'll show how to attach an approval policy to a component or product, and configure corresponding triggers in the next video.